Hello everyone, this is Emmanuel here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can make a QR code for your business for free with Canva. So as you can see, we are at canva.com. Easily just search that and you will end up over here. So first of all, what is Canva? And why Canva is very useful for creating your like your QR code, right? So if you're looking for something that fast and easy with built-in assets, Canva is the better value. If you want to create professional images, edit out imperfections, or create works for art, I mean, Photoshop is probably the better value, but for the quick work, you can just go over here and use Canva. So before we go further in, we need to understand what are the pricing they are providing to you guys. So as you can see, these are the like plans they're providing. So I'm just gonna open this and I will show you how it works, right? So if I scroll down, you can see we have Canva free over here, and whatever they are providing you is like drag and drop editor for easy customization and 250,000 plus free templates which you can choose, and there are a lot of things they are providing you, and the cloud storage would be 5 GB. So if you're working like very professionally and you want to like your team want like your team can use that also, so obviously you just need to go ahead and buy uh $55 per year or $85 per year for 5 people at least. So I think these aren't that bad, and they are providing multiple things to you. So for starter and to create your own QR code, you can just easily go over here, click on sign up, and it's very easy. We have 4 ways which you can choose, like from Google, obviously, Facebook, and with your like individual email, or choose another way. There are multiple more options over here, like login with mobile or Clever or Microsoft or even Apple. So there are multiple options here. So I have my account over here already, so I'm just gonna go home, and I don't know why it's not going home for now, but we can log in from over here. I'm just gonna click on login, and I'm gonna go with my Google account. So after logging in, you can see this is how it will look like. This is the actual dashboard which you can choose like multiple things over here. We have like whiteboards, presentations, even social media posts or videos, website. They are providing multiple things out there. If you go add more, you can just see all of the things like infographics, photo collage, desktop wallpapers, and all those stuff. They are providing more templates to you. You can see all of this. This is so good in my opinion. So obviously we are not talking about these all, and this might end up in different tutorial. For now we are going to create a QR code, right? So on the top right corner we can see that we have custom size. Obviously you can choose anything from over here, but right now I'm going to create a separate individual QR code. So for that I'm using 500 by 500 pixel, and I'm going to create a new blank canvas. So this is called canvas, and on the left side you have all the menu which you are going to put over here. So these are templates, but we don't need that. You can see over here we have QR code. So just in case if you don't see over here, click on apps and you will find that over here. So there's no worry, and after that it will stay over here. You can just remove it if you want later on, but for now I'm just going to click on it, and you can see easy stuff. You just need to put your URL, whatever, like if you want your customer to go right at your website through your QR code, you can just do that. Just put and URL over here, and that's it. Just generate that QR code and paste that over here and show that to your people. It will work as your website. So let's just do it for YouTube. So I'm just gonna go at YouTube. I'm gonna copy that link, and I'm gonna go back, paste that over here. Simple as that, right? So if you go and customize this, I'm gonna go like different colors. If you want like black and white, if you want, you can also do that, but in my opinion this looks better, and this is very eye pleasing for people. So after that you can just set the margin how it looks like. So I'm gonna go with 2. It looks good, and I'm gonna create one, like generate QR code. Now click on that and it's done. So this is the QR code for YouTube, and obviously you can just choose for your own goods, right? So if I press shift and alt, it will expand from over here, like from the middle, If I press shift, it will expand from over here, and if I go over like this, you know. So I'm going with the like, I want this in the middle right now. I'm just gonna do the same, and here we are. You can just easily change the background color if you want. I'm just gonna go with the light gray, so it looks like this is the like QR code. So that's it. This is our QR code, which is ready. So you can just click on top right corner over here and go over here, click on download, and you have your file tabs over here like JPEG or PNG, whatever you would like to do that. Obviously, most of them are PNG, so I'm just going with that and just download that easy, right? So I'm just gonna do that. Click on this, and just give us a moment, and that's it. It has been saved, and I'm just gonna name this QR code YouTube, right? And save. That's it. It has been saved. So we have our QR code. So, but how we are going to put this on business cards and brochures and different stuff like posters. So right now I'm just gonna do that real quick so that you can understand how you can do that. So from here you need to go back to your home. Once it's done, obviously you have created your own uh, QR code, right? So right now I need to post this on a poster, right? So let's just say, I'm going to search for a poster, and I'm going like food poster, let's just say that, and I want to paste like I want to choose this one first of all, and it will open new tab, and from here you can edit every single thing, by the way. So just relax, for anything you see it cannot be changed, so because this is a template, right? And it's a free template which you can choose. And after that, you just need to go over here on the left side. You can see we have QR code, but we don't need that right now because we have already saved our image, right? You can easily drag that over here if you want, or you just go ahead and click on upload files, and just simply just upload that, easy. But we are going with this one, and we just got this over here. It's just loading up, as you can see, and it's done. So I'm just gonna grab that, put that over here. I'm gonna resize it, and obviously we can easily zoom in, right, and resize it obviously. And you can just put something right down below, like you know sorry, I'm going with this one. Like, you can just edit that obviously. uh Scan. So I'm just gonna write very random stuff over here. That's it. So you can understand like what I'm trying to do over here. So I'm just going with this one, and you can see how it looks like. Obviously you can just move this over here, like I'm gonna move this all over the left side, something like this, right? So it looks good right over here. So obviously it's just like to show you how it's done. This is what we have made, and right now it's looking perfect for this image. So if you want your customer to go to your link, like your restaurant link, your restaurant menu link, you can just paste that over here and just write it down, scan for the link, or go ahead, check out our menu. You can also do that with your business cards and all other stuffs like brochures and every single thing. So Canva is very useful and very quick. As you can see, I just made this all in just 8 minutes maximum, or 10 minutes. So that's how you are going to create your own QR code through Canva. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you don't understand anything. We would love to help you. Please subscribe and give a like. Thank you. Bye bye.